Thanks for inviting us in. It's now 6 o'clock and we begin tonight with breaking news in the Delphi murder case.
Defense attorneys have filed a motion to restrict key evidence in this case.
The state now says the evidence links Richard Allen to the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German.
But Allen's attorneys say that evidence is flawed. We have senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel here to explain what information defense attorneys do not want a jury to hear about.
Well, this latest request from Richard Allen's attorneys focuses on ballistics and what investigators found at the crime scene. When Abby Williams and Libby German were found murdered in these Delphi woods back in 2017, investigators say they found a .40 caliber unspent round between the girls' bodies. According to the state's probable cause affidavit, investigators also found a gun in Richard Allen's home. And when Indiana State Police analyzed that gun at their crime lab, they determined the unspent round located at the murder scene had cycled through that weapon. Today, Allen's attorneys filed what's called a motion in limine regarding ballistics. That's a pretrial motion asking that certain ballistics evidence be restricted and not presented to a jury. The motion is now on the state's court website. But we want to be clear, we have not yet seen the actual motion because so far it is sealed from public view. That means we don't know if the court is being asked to restrict just some of the state's ballistics evidence or to exclude all of it. But either way, if the judge grants the request, it could have a major impact on the outcome of the trial as the defense tries to establish reasonable doubt. Last year, before the judge imposed a gag order, Richard Allen's defense team raised questions about the science used to test Allen's gun. They wrote, "The entire discipline has been under attack in courtrooms across the country as being unreliable and lacking any scientific validity. We anticipate a vigorous legal and factual challenge to any claims by the prosecution as to the reliability of its conclusions concerning the single magic bullet." That challenge is now officially underway. Now, on Thursday, Richard Allen will be back in court as a judge will be asked to rule on several important motions that have been filed. This motion probably will not be ruled on because it's so new. We will be in court Thursday, and we will certainly have all the new developments for you right here on 13 News.